Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay app. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MoonPay application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you are going to see the buy, sell and swap tabs. So since we want to buy Bitcoin, you need to simply tap on the option of buy. Once you do this, you will be landed here on this page where by default 100 US dollars will be selected, and by default you are going to see Bitcoin in front of you. Over here you just have to do nothing but to just enter the amount of USD which you want to basically use in order to purchase BTC. It is also going to show you the equivalent amount of BTC that you are going to get. So after doing it, simply press continue here in the bottom. After doing so, it will gonna take some time and ask you for some of your details. So after providing those details like your first name, your country and your address, it will ask you to verify your documents. So if your identity is not verified already, you just have to verify your identity. Only then you will be able to purchase any of the cryptos in MoonPay. So once you have done that, you just have to select your favorable payment method. After that, you need to simply conclude the payment. This way you are going to get Bitcoin in your MoonPay account. You will be able to see it here on the home page, and you will be able to access it with the help of this wallets tab here in the middle. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.